Welcome back. It's now time for the Midday Sports Roundup. Here's Dwayne Brovo.
Former West Indies all-rounder Dwayne Brovo has retired from all forms of cricket after a groin injury curtailed the final season of his career. The 40-year-old, who is the leading T20 wicket-taker in history, had planned to retire at the end of the current Caribbean Premier League campaign. However, after sustaining a groin injury, the Trinbago Knight Riders player has decided to finish immediately. Brovo became the first male cricketer to take more than 600 wickets in all T20 matches and ended up with 631 wickets at an average of 24.40 runs and economy of 8.26 per over. He won 3 Indian Premier League titles with the Chennai Super Kings and is currently third on the list of most wickets taken with 183, as well as the T20 World Cup on 2 occasions with the West Indies. Jamaica's Mount Pleasant FC were held to a 0-0 draw by host Police FC of Trinidad and Tobago in their CONCACAF Caribbean Cup match at the Hazley Crawford Stadium on Thursday evening. The result means Mount Pleasant moved to 4 points but stayed 4th in the group, while Police remained in 3rd place on 5 points. It also means Mount Pleasant face a must-win game against the Real Hope of Haiti in their final group game to advance to the semi-finals of the competition. Reggae girl Khadijah Shaw was on the score sheet twice for Manchester City women as they recorded a 3-0 win over Paris FC in their round 2 second leg match in the UEFA Women's Champions League on Thursday for an 8-0 aggregate scoreline. Shaw scored in the 31st minute to put Man City women 2-0 up. The Jamaican taliswoman also converted from the penalty spot in the 65th minute as Man City completed the victory to advance to the Women's Champions League group stages for the first time. TVJ Sports understands that the Harbourview Mini Stadium has been cleared by the JFF Competitions Committee to host the Jamaica Premier League matches. The home of the 5-time Premier League champions has been out of commission since 2020, with repair work to the ground starting late last year. The Stars of the East will host Malines United at 3 p.m. on Sunday in their first home match in 4 years. Natoya Gould-Toppin was the best-placed Jamaican at the inaugural Atlas Track and Field Meet, a women's-only meet which was held in New York, USA on Thursday. Gould-Toppin clocked a minute 58.63 seconds for third in the women's 800 meters, which was won by Ethiopian Sige Deguma in a minute 57.43. The other Jamaican competitor at the meet, reigning world champion Danielle Williams, had settled for 5th in the women's 100-meter hurdles, clocking 12.56. Tokyo Olympic champion Jasmine Camacho Quinn of Puerto Rico won the event in 12.36. 6 events were contested at the meet, with each winner pocketing US $60,000, twice the prize which was offered at the 2024 Diamond League finale, with a purse totaling $500,000. Additionally, 10% of all revenues were distributed to participants at the meet. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.